All right, guys, this is what I have. Two Bridgestones, the BT 016s. Kind of a little background. I bought the first one, gonna mount it. Did mount it, and after 3 days, it blew out. Luckily, I wasn't riding it. It was raining, sitting on the stand. So I just figured failure on the tire. We'll get a refund from Rocky Mount. Because this, see, brand new tire. So went ahead and ordered another one because I really wanted to ride. Exact same tire, done the exact same thing. Both of them had, the big fat rebates on them that they were giving at the time. Don't know what the deal is with the tire, bad tire. Can't say. I've been mounting tires, my own tires, for 12 years now. Mounting them for other people, mounted Pirellis, Dunlops, Shinkos. I mean, I've mounted them all. Using this tire tool right here for the last 8 or 9 years. Never had a failure. So I thought maybe it was me, I don't know. So I got another tire. This time, got a Continental. Cheap old Continental that I'm gonna mount. Bridgestone says they will not replace these under warranty because it was a mounting failure. That evidently I done something wrong. There's my mounting lube that I use. Been using that same container there for at least 6 years. It's about halfway empty. Mix it up in the right amount. Tire's already been lubed. You can sit here and watch me mount this and see. I still think it was a tire fault. That's my opinion. B.F. Goodrich has a different one. I just want to put it out there for everybody to see. I will not buy another Bridgestone because of this. I'll stick to something else. If I'd been going down the road on either one of them, I don't know what would have happened. So I don't want to think about that. Neither one of them made a turn on the road. They both popped, should I say, because I had a big old bubble on the side. After 2 to 3 days, they held air for 2 to 3 days. After that, they popped. So y'all can watch me mount this other one. And that's it. Okay, 3 days later, there is the Continental, still holding air, and it actually went down the road. So Bridgestone's never made it down the road. Neither one of them. I mounted all 3 tires exactly the same way, the way I've mounted all my tires over the years. Bridgestone's failed, this one didn't. So in my opinion, something was wrong with the tires. Bridgestone still says it was a mounting error, and they refuse to cover them. So y'all use y'all's opinion, whatever y'all want to think about it. I will say that both them tires come in shrink wrap. The shrink wrap was damaged when I got it, but I didn't notice any damage on the tire. So I ain't saying that that could possibly be it. Maybe, I don't know. All I know is Bridgestone will not cover them tires. I've got one here mounted exactly the same way. It's holding there, no problems at all. I blame it on tires.